A fiery debate erupted on GB News when the question, "Have the Sussexes caused terminal damage to the British monarchy?" was asked on Dan Wootton's show on Tuesday night, April 25. While broadcaster and journalist Angela Epstein, along with Wootton, believed Harry and Meghan had indeed caused irreparable harm to the firm, historian and writer Dr Tessa Dunlop accused Wootton and the British press and media of playing dog whistle politics and laying the blame firmly at the door. The author of Elizabeth and Philip vented her spleen at Wootton after Epstein had laid out her rationale as to why she thinks the California-based duo are the instigators of the mess the royal family find themselves in. There was one poll among Gen Z Brits that their support for Harry and Meghan had dropped by about 40% after his book came out, and that's notwithstanding the damage done by their Oprah interview, explained Epstein. There is no doubt that Harry and Meghan, in monetizing their lives, their trashing of the royal family and the very difficult statements they have made, many difficult to substantiate, they have done a lot of damage to the royal family. But I think the royal family is far bigger than them, and in some quarters are keen to see them as the architects of the decline. We don't care about their views on so many things, as it's so obvious they are vacuous in their approach to so many subjects. I think at some point, they'll run out of steam and we'll move on. When give the right of reply, Dunlop took aim at New Zealand-born Wootton, who has been well known for his cutting and dismissive comments about the Sussexes over the years. She said, "I take aim at you and other polemicists because I think you've done great damage to the institution you purport to support, by dragging it into dog whistle politics. The goodies are Camilla and Charles. Let's park our tanks on their lawn. The baddies are Harry and Meghan. I'm always billed as the great supporter of the Sussexes. I am nothing of the kind. I am trying to take an impartial view."